Is DataOps the same as DevOps? It's not, and I'm going to explain why. Hi, I'm Peter Nickel, Data Science CIO. One of the challenges we see with dev operations is folks don't really understand what it means. And as the term's getting more and more popular lately, I thought I'd take a minute to explain it. DevOps is a lot different than DataOps. DataOps focuses on automation. It's a process-oriented methodology that data science teams use to leverage to simplify or streamline a data science workflow, typically trying to generate analytics. So where did this idea come from? It came from Edward Deming's way back when, in general, when he focused on quality and production control and specifically statistical process control. If we look at dev operations and specifically the difference in data operations, let's break down what DataOps really means. DataOps has three main buckets. First is DevOps, which is delivery and development of something. It also has Agile, which is typically focused around software development based on the theory of constraints, removing obstacles, and trying to take the shortest path to ultimately achieve an outcome. And last is lean manufacturing, where we have a high emphasis on quality and production efficiency and using statistical process control to control variance. So where is this really going? When we start to think about value and how value comes into the picture, we can add in the concept of a data factory or data orchestration. The benefit of data operations is it's not only the outcome that we're looking for. We're looking to make sure that not only the data goes into the process correctly, but we look and focus on the throughput as well. What is happening with that data and information as it translates through the model? And lastly, who's really using data operations? And that's a big difference between data and DevOps. DevOps, we have typically engineering, we have software engineers that know multiple languages that are focusing on streamlining the orchestration of that delivery. In DataOps, we have different types of roles. We have data scientists and typically analysts that don't really care about all the details. They want to make sure that their models can be simulated and run, and that the data or the outcome and ultimately the insights is usable and can be transformed into some type of benefit for the business users. So as you think about DevOps versus DataOps, there might be some opportunity in your environment to put an emphasis on DataOps in trying to orchestrate and streamline the workflow of how you get analytics out to your business partners. Hi, I'm Peter Nickel, Data Science CIO. Have a great day.